Hey there! Today, we have an interesting problem to tackle in our coding journey. We have a situation where we're trying to render a list of checkboxes based on our data state in React. But every time we click a checkbox, a new element gets added to the data state. Quite a head-scratcher, right? Let's jump into the solution that can help us out here. The key lies in correctly handling the state update when a checkbox is clicked. By focusing on updating the isChecked property of the respective checkbox without adding new elements to the state array, we can maintain the integrity of our data structure. This approach ensures that our data state remains clean and structured as intended. Now, let's delve a bit deeper into the specific problematic code snippet that was causing the unexpected behavior. The issue lies in how the state update is handled within the onChange function. By revisiting this part of the code and making the necessary adjustments, we can prevent unintended elements from being added to the data state. Taking a step further, here is the improved solution to our problem. By utilizing a handler function to correctly toggle the isChecked property of the checkboxes within the map function, we can achieve the desired outcome. This structured approach ensures that our data state retains its original format without any unnecessary additions or alterations. In conclusion, by addressing the core issue in our code and implementing the recommended solution, we can successfully manage the state updates for our checkboxes in React. Remember, keeping your state management precise and concise is key to maintaining a smooth user experience. Happy coding, and may your checkboxes always stay in check. Well, that's all for today's coding conundrum. If you enjoyed this session, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tech tips and tricks. Like the video if it helped you out, and feel free to drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding, and may your bugs be minimal, just like those pesky extra elements in our state array.